you guys how to swap out these lights on a 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is actually in 2003, but they're all the same. You just have this little pin right here, pop that out, disconnect your lights from the back, and it just pops right out. Once you get this pin out, this whole light assembly just pops right out. And all you have to do is disconnect that one and this one right here. And this is what it looks like with it off. We'll have your regular running lights. This is your low beam. This is your high beam. On the bottom light, you really don't have to pull anything off. You only have that clip right there. And that one over there, and this should just pull directly out. And she is out. You can see that little clip a little better. So that one, and this one over here. That one. So you can just unscrew your light bulbs right here, and then this one right here. Now we have everything off, and here's a side marker right here, your blinker, and then your running lights, or this one right here. But whenever you're installing the headlights that have the halo option, you'll be splicing them to these right here. If you can see, one of them is blue, the other one is brown. You want to wire black to blue and white to brown, and you should not have any issues. Now whenever you wire it that way, your halos will blink whenever you turn on your blinkers and your emergency lights as well. So just a heads up for that. Your LEDs are going to go right here, black to blue and white to brown. Everything else is plug and play. We are having to do this because those holes are too small and don't fit that rod like they would right here. This is what they'll look like since we wired them up to the side markers. They're basically your turn signals as well. The other side does the same. Basically all you do, splice those up if you have the headlights that have the halo option. If not, just put everything back on and you're good to go. That's how you change a headlight on a 2003 or 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500 with or without the halo. Just remember, black to blue and you should be good to go. Same on both sides. It's the same thing. So have a great day.